I'm super excited to share these light up LED door sill protectors. Hey guys, check out this product that I got from Hansshow Auto. This is a great addition for any Model 3 or Model Y. Watch what happens when I open up my door. Look at this thing, it lights up and it's super slick looking. This is adding a lot for me personally. It looks sharp, it blends in with the black color. It doesn't interrupt the door function. Check it out here on the left side. Open it up, boom, right there. It pops. This is my favorite. Get into your car, you have a nice look. This really nice brushed metallic. It's got the strips in there. These are battery operated and they last a long time. If you're interested in this, use my discount code TechGeek at checkout for 22% off all Model 3 and Model Y accessories. Unlike other door sill products that I've reviewed in the past, these do not involve magnets and they do not involve USB cables to charge. These have batteries and they also include backup batteries and they look sharp. I absolutely love the aesthetics and I hope you guys agree. This is a really cool product. Now it comes in at a relatively steep price, $140, but that is what you pay if you don't use a discount code. Definitely use somebody's discount code. Let's jump into this product review. So when I opened up this box, I was really surprised to see, and the reason I say this is because my mom recently ordered a key fob from Tesla and it was $175 and it didn't even come with a CR2032 battery. And I was like, you're kidding me. They used to ship with those. But look at this. You get tons of spare batteries and they already have batteries included. These already, like I said, have batteries installed. You have this 3M tape. Here's where the battery covers are. And what you can do is you can grab underneath here, pull the cap off, and replace the battery that way. The way that these turn on is with a magnet. And the magnet is taped up here, already on here. So what I recommend doing is taking all the magnets off and just setting them aside. So this is the rear right one, and then here is the rear left side. Again, I'll take that magnet off. And then we have the front left, the front right. And then last but not least, we get a couple little goodies inside of the box. So what we get is an installation kit. So we get 4 little rubber offsets, and then we get some pads here, and then we get 4 stickers, and it's just on one side, it's sticky. This gives you a better surface to stick the magnet on. Then we get some adhesion promoter. This kit also comes with some basic instructions, helps to turn these on and off, and how to basically stick it onto the sill. But we do get these spare parts here. Let me just show you what's inside of here. We get a couple extra magnets. We get a couple extra 3M adhesive pads. And these adhesive pads, now that's straightforward. That's what's really gonna hold it in place. So we get 2 extra magnets, and here is a circular little ring. So the way these work is when the magnet goes over the door, it turns it off. When it's covering it, it turns it off. When you move it away, it turns on. These actually give you an indication of exactly where your magnet needs to go. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the material. It's nice looking. It really has this nice finish to it. It almost has like a wood grain look to it. So let's go ahead and install these, starting with the ones in the front. It's a good idea to spray this area and just clean it off before you install this. One of my favorite things about this product is that you do not need to remove the original door sill pieces. So you're gonna notice that these look identical. However, that little pad is on a different location. And that's because this one that's labeled right front, the door swings to close on it over here. It goes like this. Whereas on the other one, the door is gonna swing, toward the back, same type of position. So without installing it, I'm just gonna fit it over here, and it actually slides over it and I can move it a little bit, and if I push down, it actually snaps right on top of it. For this one, there's no exact position. When you place it on here, first of all, it's going to want to slide off. It doesn't stay. And you're gonna have to kind of rock it back and forth to find the exact position. The question is, how far up do you go? Well, the further up that you go, the more that it slides up at an angle, and that adhesive is not going to stay. So there's actually one spot right here in the center. You can find it pretty quickly, pretty easily. So you go there, and then it's going to be directly lined up with the curve. So you're going to have a curve right here, and you're going to line up the edge of this material here with that curve. It doesn't take much to find it, but you're going to essentially use that, and then you would apply quite liberally, I would say, the adhesive promoter here and here quickly, and then place this down. So you're going to have to prep these stickers, place it aside like this, prep, bring it down the right way, obviously, and then mount it. I have my own little bottles that I purchased because I apply adhesive promoter for various things around my car. You can get this on Amazon, and this doesn't dry up as quickly, and obviously you get a lot of use out of it. What I found you can do is turn this upside down up here to line up the spots, and then you're supposed to wait a little bit of time for the adhesive promoter to kind of dry on the surface. So I'm just going to apply it here in each spot and let it dry, getting the surface ready. So what I'm finding is that these pads actually aren't sticking at all. I place it directly on top, press it down, and it's not making contact with the metal plate. So I'm going to press down as hard as I can and see if that fixes it. Nope, it's still not sticking. So we're going to have to add those extra pads on here. Okay, I've added small offsets, as you can see. Hopefully this does the trick. We're going to have to line it up very precisely here and then press it down. And it looks like it made contact over here and also on the right side. Let's check and see how well the door closes. Okay, it does not feel like it's hitting it at all. Once you get that on, next step is to line up that little block there. You have to look basically straight up and down and get that lined up perfectly with a screwdriver. Then get this adhesive little circle here, and that's where you're going to place the sticker, but you have to find the exact alignment. The best way that I found to do this is once you apply this adhesive, you line up the magnet down here so it's lining up directly with that little rubber piece or that piece of foam. You line it up as accurately as you can, and then what you do is you go ahead and close the door. You really want it to be as accurate as you can get it. And then you close the door, and this is my clever little trick. You get a piece of duct tape, and you find that little metal piece, and you place the duct tape right on there. And then when you open the door again, that is exactly where your little magnet will go. And what you have to do is the magnet is going to go up right where this starts to curve. So it's going to, there's a rounded corner here. Right before the rounded corner goes up, that's where your magnet's going to go. So it's going to go like right here. So it helps to clean this area, make sure it's nice and clean. It doesn't hurt to use some adhesive promoter if you still have some of that left. But just make sure it's very clean before you go ahead and apply that magnet. All right, the final reveal at night. Watch this. Open it up. Get this beautiful illuminated door sill. It looks so awesome. This video probably doesn't do its justice, but it blends in. It looks like it's part of the car. At night, you can't even see the door sill. Let's come in the back here and take a look at this one. You can see there as well. Now I'm going to do this video here without any light from my camera, and then I'm going to turn on the light. Okay, and here it is with the light. We open up the door and we get presented with this beautiful lit up door sill. It's subtle, and that's what I love about it. It doesn't stand out, it's not too flashy, but it's something that you see every time you open up your doors, and it makes you smile, I think, more than anyone else. And that's what these products are for. They're for you to enjoy as you get in and out of your car. Let's come and take a look at this one in the front. Oh, that one I have to adjust the magnet on a little bit, it looks like. Let's close it. Oh, there we go. Maybe just a small adjustment on that one to get it to work every single time. And then we're good. I think that looks sharp. I'm happy with this product, and it's something that I will be keeping in my car. It looks really great. I mean, look at the finished touch on that thing. It's very polished.